Hello everybody, hello grade 4, I miss you all. Now we will start Unit 8. We will make a review on Unit 8 in the park. We will start with our first lesson, conversation time. I want you to look at these pictures and then try to find out where are they. They are in the park. What can you see in the park? I can see 3 people, a policeman, and a boy and a girl. And some grass, and some flowers, and trees. And there's a path. And there's a pen. In the first picture, we see the boy drops a letter on the floor. And the policeman stops him doing that. Let's listen to the conversation. Hey, don't do that. What? Don't drop letter. Use a pen. I'm sorry. Where is it? It's over there. It's under the tree. Oh, I see it. Thanks. In the first picture, the boy drops a letter on the floor and the policeman sees him. Then he warned him to don't do this thing again. And then he told him to put the letter on the pen. There is another conversation between Sukar and Sukara here. Whose wallet is this? What color is it? It's green and yellow. Oh, it's mine. In this conversation, Sukar finds a wallet and then he asks who is the owner of it by using whose. Sukara wants to know the color of it to discover if it's hers. Now we will start lesson 2, word time. I want you to try to find out some items you know from these words. They are in the park, and there is a lot of things in this park. We can see trees, river, a map, Sukara, a man, some boys, a mountain, and some wildlife. Now, let's say the words. 1. Grass. 1. Grass. 2. Sand. 2. Sand. 3. Snow. Snow. 4. Wildlife. Wildlife. 5. Ponds. 6. Tree. 7. Mountain. 8. River. Now we will say the words again together. 1. Grass. Grass. Grass is a green plant. 2. Sand. 2. Sand. Sand is the yellow thing that covers beaches or other things. 3. Snow. 3. Snow. Snow is the frozen water that covers mountains. 4. Wildlife. 4. Wildlife. Wildlife is the wild animals. Pond. Pond. Pond is an inland stands in water. Tree. Tree. Trees are green plant with branches. Mountain. Mountain. Mountain is a large object and it's very large in size. 8. River. River. River is a large flow of water. Do you know the words? Okay. Now we will start lesson 3, practice time. We will make a review on it. Practice time this time we will take there is and there are. And there isn't and there aren't. You have to know something. In English, we have countable and uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns usually comes in a singular, and they always comes with is, so that we will use there is with them. Uncountable nouns in this lesson such as snow, sand, grass, wildlife. We can't count them, so that we will say there is snow, there is grass, and there is some countable nouns that have singular and we can make them plural. We can add s at the end of them. They always comes with r, such as tree, trees, river, rivers, mountain, mountains, pond, ponds, so that they comes with there are. There are ponds. There are mountains. Now I will tell you the usage of some and any. We use some in affirmative sentences with countable and uncountable nouns such as there is some grass, there are some mountains. We use any in negative and questions such as there isn't any wildlife, there aren't any rivers. In questions such as is there any grass, are there any mountains? Some and any comes with countable and uncountable nouns. I want you to return here. There are some trees. There aren't any mountains. Picture 2. There are some mountains. There aren't any trees. Picture 3. There is some snow. There isn't any sand. Picture 4. There is some sand. There isn't any snow. Now we will start our last lesson. Phonics time from Unit 8 in the park. Firstly, I want you to know we add es at the end of some nouns in English to make them plurals. When we add es, when the noun ends in x, ch, sh, or o, we add es at the end of it to make it plural, such as boxes, buses, pencil cases, sandwiches. These words end in X as in boxes so that we add ES at the end of it to make it plural. Bus ends in S so that we add ES to make it plural. Pencil cases ends in E so that we add S. So ES, pencil cases. Sandwiches ends in CH so that we add ES to make them plural. Now I want you to do exercise B. Does it have final ES? Listen and put true or false. If the word ends in ES, you will put true. And if the word ends in S only, you will put false. 1. Keys. Keys. That's right, we will put false. 2. Nurses. That's right, we will put true. Oranges. That's right, we will put true. Bushes. That's right, we will put true. Eggs. That's right, we will put false. I want you to try to read these sentences. I will give you a second to read. Then I will read. Listen to me carefully, please. The first picture and the first sentence. The nurses eat peaches with the witches. Picture 2 and sentence 2. She runs on peaches with foxes on leashes. 3. There are sandwiches and pencil cases and boxes under the buses. Now I want you to look and answer these questions. The question is in red and the answer is in black. You will look carefully for the picture to try to answer. 1. What are these? They are ducks. 2. Are there any mountains? Yes, there are. 3. What does the girl have? She has foxes. 4. What are they doing? They are eating peaches. I want you to look at each picture and try to write 3 sentences on each of them. The first picture. They are a boy and a girl. They are at the park. There is a pen under the tree. The second picture. I can see some wildlife. There are many animals. There are some trees. Now we will make a review on Unit 8. Listen and circle the word with the short vowel. You will circle the word that contains a short vowel. 1. Blue duck. That's right, you will circle duck. 2. Tree pond. That's right, you will circle pond. 3. Cake cap. That's right, you will circle cap. 4. Kite sack. That's right, we will circle sack. Now I want you to look at these words and then you will circle the odd one out. Truck, car, cake, bus. We will circle cake. 2. School, museum, teacher, restaurant. We will circle teacher. 3. Soap, sunscreen, shampoo, sand. We will circle sand. 4. Yellow, blue, red, green. We will circle red. I want you to read and write true or false. You will look at the picture and then you will read the sentence and then you will take true or false. 1. The boy is eating. The picture, the boy is eating. False. 2. There is a girl. False. 3. The boy is looking for the pen. True. Number 4. They are at the bakery. They are at the bakery. False. Finally, thank you all. I want you to stay home to stay safe.